Tina Nunez with Educational Resources, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to manage your Google Chat space today. Let's share some ideas about how to keep a chat space that has a lot of members in it organized. You can type in your chat. You can even go here and format some of the text, probably just throw an emoji in there. And much like this chat, you can add a link to something. Now let's talk about the fact that when you add in a chat, it's going to keep a really long run of all of the chats that have been added. So to go ahead and keep conversations nice and neat, we can create threaded chat. To do that, you're going to hover over that chat that was made, and instead of just replying in the main space, you're going to see something called reply in thread. Now, once you've added something inside a thread, you're going to see that it is marked as a reply underneath this response. Now, a couple of reasons you're going to want to do this is because you can create filters within your chat. So if you go up here, there's a lovely little thread button, and I can see all of the threads that are in this chat space. And one of the best things about threads is if you don't want to have a notification, you can select this button here and unfollow a thread, and then it won't show up in your notification. Threads are going to have the information up here. So best practices are to put something here. This is why I like to bold it. So that way, if you go to sort, you can very quickly see what those chats are going to be about. Now, let's say in the chat, you want everybody to see your response. What you can do is you can go to this specific chat. I'm going to select quote and reply. And when I hit send, other people can still reply in the thread, but you can see the original information here and then my response here. If you want to mention a specific person or get someone's attention, you can type the @ key, start typing someone's name and select it, and now that person is going to get a mention up here in their chats. So anytime I have been mentioned in a specific chat, that's going to show up here in my chat space. Now let's say there is a particular thread that you're very excited about, or even an individual chat that you want to follow and keep track of inside this chat space. You can hover over the chat, go to these 3 dots, and then star that particular chat. Those are going to show up here in all of your shortcuts in your starred chats. In a single chat space up here, there is something called a board. So if there is a chat you know everybody's going to want to pay attention to or remember, you can go to these 3 dots and pin it to the board. Now this is very important because it doesn't pin it to just your board. This pins it to the board for everyone in that chat space. If you know that someone has shared something within this chat at some point, you can go here and look at all of the files in one space. You can see the date that it was shared, and you can see who shared it. And with the new update, it actually has all of the different images and media that have been shared as well. So we've talked about some tips and tricks for managing a single space inside your Google Chat. Let's talk a little bit about this bar over here and how to manage multiple chat spaces or multiple direct chats. Now let's say you are in a whole bunch of Google Chats. So what happens is chats are going to default to a place called spaces, but you can categorize them into different sections. So to do that, what you're going to do is go over to where it says spaces, going to be 3 dots, and now you can create a brand new section. When you create a brand new section, you're going to name it, hit the checkbox, and then you can either take a chat space that's created and go to these 3 dots and move the conversation, or you can go ahead and drag this chat space to that new section. And now it's going to create a drop down. So I have mine organized by our core team that I communicate with in our direct chats, because you can do that with direct messages. You can also do that with any of your spaces chats. Within each one of those sections, you can click on the space and pin it to the top of that section. Up here, I can turn this on or off in this specific section and see which of those spaces has immediate notifications. If you are getting overwhelmed notifications, or you don't want them at a specific time, or you just need to turn them off for a little bit, go up here to this button, turn on Do Not Disturb, and it'll mute chats for a specific amount of time. Or you can set as away and let people know that you are not there. Or if you desperately want to let them know that you're vacationing, go ahead and throw that in there as well. The final thing I'm going to show you is that if you have some specific chats that you really want to watch at the same time and see the full threads of them, you can click on that chat and there's a little button right here. Like, well, not a button, but like a little pop-up window. If you click on that, it's going to open up separate chat spaces on your screen all at the same time. Hopefully those are a few tips and tricks for managing a chat space. Like and subscribe to this space to get more updates and videos.